Welcome back, my friends, to my channel and another creative video. I have just a fun little fast peek into one of my own fall traditions over here, and that is drawing and painting on dried fall leaves. For those of you that have been following me for the past 15 years, you will know this is a yearly tradition. I often will go gather any types of fall leaves. I like the bigger the better, but anything's going to work, and I will press and dry them, often for a good 3 or 4 weeks, and then I get creative on their surface. Over the years, I have used just about any materials to alter fall leaves. Once they're dry, they feel like very brittle or very fragile paper, but as long as you are very careful with the process, you can paint on them, you can use pens on them, and then you can repurpose them in your fall decorating, take photographs of them, use them in a variety of creative ways. I really love this process simply because I love nature and I love collecting things from nature and incorporating it into my creative routine. I tend to really enjoy embellishing them in very small, detailed ways. Sometimes I will use a tiny brush, other times I will use paint pens, but it's really, really fun to get creative with something beautiful from nature. I find that drying them for about 3 weeks, and I often press them with deli paper in between heavy books, gives me a good surface that I can work on. I have found over the years it's a nice kind of balance between them being really dry, but not so dry that they get crispy and too fragile. These were some beautiful fall leaves that I stumbled upon on a morning walk. I've been drying them for a good 3 weeks, and they were all ready for me to get creative on the surface. Every year I try to make time to do this just for myself. It's just really fun to connect with nature, but also get really creative with nature. It's something that pushes me in my own creative process to really be able to see things around me in a creative way and with tons of potential. And while I know this project isn't going to be for everybody out there, it's just a little bit of inspiration to maybe look at nature in a new way, as well as making creative traditions for yourself. While my job is to teach art and I offer so many tutorials and inspiration, I'm always making time for myself over here to just simply create for the purpose of creativity. I really love the idea of something having a shelf life or not being archival or lasting forever. And there's something really beautiful for me in just playing with things from nature, knowing that something like a dried, crispy leaf that's been decorated may not live forever. And I really enjoy that thought when I am working on a process like this. These are often little traditions that I make for myself so that I can simply just sit down and play around with unexpected things. I'm hoping you all enjoy a little peek into this process. I've got some tips below in the description box if you're wanting to explore what it feels like to work with dried leaves. It's super fun, it's really beautiful, and it's a fun way to kind of commemorate the season of fall.